Although two senior players will be missing due to injury, Sunshine Girls coach Connie Francis says she's pleased with the overall squad selected for the three-match Vitality Reunited Series away to England from November 28 to December 5. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
Veteran goal shooter Remelda Aking and Jodian Ward are the two players who will not be a part of the Sunshine Girls squad for the trip to England because of injury. However, the squad remains a formidable one and will be led by skipper and world-rated goal shooter Janelle Fowler, who is joined by the likes of Shanice Beckford and Shamira Sterling. The squad is completed by Adine Thomas, Khadijah Williams, Amanda Pinkney, Giselle Allison, Shadian Hemmings, Malisha Kelly, Kadian Dehaney, and Latanya Wilson. Coach Connie Francis will also have 4 members of the Under-21 development squad in Kelsey Jonas, Kimon Shaw, Michaela Walker, and Tafia Hunter as training partners in the touring team. She assessed the quality of the squad assembled.
To tell you the truth, I thought I would have gotten 2 more senior players, but injuries ruled them out. But I'm pleased with the core senior players that's actually in the squad, and also for the development player who have made up the numbers.
Although the girls are coming off a comfortable 3-0 series win over Trinidad and Tobago recently, Coach Francis says their preparation could have been better.
The only hiccup is that I wanted more practice games, and that didn't happen. But it is what it is, and I'm very proud to see that where we were when we last played Trinidad, lots of unforced errors, we have visited them and we have fixed them, and I think that we are ready to go. Our defending lineup was the most positive. Attacking team had numerous turnovers, so we actually work on those. I love the effort that the girls are putting in order to correct all those errors, and we're giving ourselves a chance.
But despite questions about their overall readiness, Coach Francis says that they will be competitive in England, especially with the 2022 Commonwealth Games in mind.
Firstly, I really want to see us developing as a team, vying for a medal at the Commonwealth tournament. The girls are showing a lot of progress from the last series that we have played. I think that we stand a good chance of possibly winning 1 and 2 of those games, and they're quite upbeat, so am I.
The 3-game series will get underway at the Copper Box Arena in London on November 28 and will be followed by consecutive games at the Motorbox Arena in Nottingham on December 4 and 5. The team will leave the island on Saturday, November 20 and will play 2 pre-series games against the England Under-21s. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.